Now, consistency is the number one YouTube growth strategy, and you are watching this video because you definitely want to grow your channel. That's your YouTube channel, and surely you will get it done if you follow this video carefully from start to the end. Now, I'll be taking you through 5 major reasons consistency is the number one YouTube growth strategy. Oh yes, only 5, and they are the major reasons. All right, so do not skip any part of this particular video. Now, the biggest question here is, what's consistency all about? Consistency in YouTube simply means regularly uploading videos or content on your channel within your own pace. Yes, that's within your own pace. And so it can be every day, twice within a week, once a month, twice a month, twice every day, or any appropriate time or duration you crave for yourself. So do not be pressured. It depends solely on you. You can even be uploading 3 times within a day, or any other way that you can. Now, as I've always been saying, don't just be publishing for publishing's sake, but rather publish high quality content with positive value to the viewers. Now, after knowing that your consistency should accompany the positive value, then let's dive into the 5 major reasons why consistency is the number one YouTube growth strategy. Right, so now reason number 1, it helps build audience trust and loyalty. Now, consistency helps build trust within your audience. Now, when you regularly post high quality content, viewers come to expect and rely on your channel for information, right? Either entertainment or inspiration, depending on the niche that you've created for yourself or for your channel. And so, for instance, if you are into breaking news and you regularly publish your videos, your viewers will always be relying on you for breaking news, for trending news, for what's actually going on in the country. This loyalty translates to increased engagement. Yes, exactly. They're going to like your video, they are going to drop their comment, they are also going to share the video. All right, and in so doing, it's gradually increasing your engagement. It also brings higher viewer retention because the viewers will be on that watching your videos from time to time, and then positive word of mouth. Not only that, subscribers become brand ambassadors. That's the most interesting ones. They will be talking about your channel to the other people. Now, reason number 2, it also improves YouTube algorithm ranking. Yes, YouTube's algorithm favors consistent creators. So please have that in mind. So regular uploads signal to YouTube that your channel is active and worthy of promotion. And so consistency helps YouTube understand your content relevance and quality. And so you see, they will be promoting your videos for you when you've not even told them to do that. That is how the algorithm works. And so another reason is that high algorithm ranking, don't forget, equals more visibility and more views. Right, now let's go to reason number 3. Consistency enhances content discovery. Trust me, consistency increases your content's discoverability. Now, regular uploads keep your channel visible in subscribers' feeds. New viewers are more likely to discover your channel through recommendations because your videos will be actually visible in their feeds, even if they've not subscribed to your channel. Yes, sometimes I'm sure you've been seeing other people's videos on your screens. Now, consistency helps YouTube understand your niche and suggest your content. So please do not be working slowly. Just crave the duration for yourself and stick to that. Now, reason number 4, consistency supports long-term growth. Yes, and that's a fact. Now, consistency compounds over time. So, regular uploads lead to increased views, engagement, and subscribers. Consistency builds momentum, making it easier to grow All right, because as you continue to do it, you begin to gather the vim and the vigor and everything that you need to do it. Long-term growth leads to increased credibility and authority. Now, this is going to be our last reason. Reason number 5, consistency establishes your unique voice and brand. Now, don't forget that it helps establish your unique voice and brand. That's regular uploads reinforce your tone, your style, your messaging style. All right, and so viewers come to recognize and appreciate your unique perspective. Not only that, consistency also helps differentiate your channel from competitors. Right, so in summary, all that I'm trying to say is that consistency is key to YouTube growth because 1, it fosters audience engagement and loyalty. That's very important, and that is key over here. It also improves algorithm ranking and visibility. It also enhances content discovery and reach, and then it supports long-term growth and momentum. And finally, consistency establishes your unique voice and brand. And so, this is what I want you to do. If you have not craved the duration for yourself, please take this period, okay? Get that thing done once and for all. And so, this is what I mean. You can decide to actually, after knowing all these, have in mind that I am going to publish my videos twice a week. So let's say Mondays and Fridays. And even with that, the timing, check the timing, be consistent on the timing. For example, on Mondays, you publish your videos around, let's say 8 p.m. GMT. All right, so try to be consistent so that every Monday your subscribers will have in mind that when I go to this person's channel, I am actually going to get a video to watch at that specific time. You shouldn't be disappointing them. All right, so let's talk about the Fridays too. You're posting on Friday, so let's say the Friday you're posting around, let's say 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. GMT. All right, be consistent on that. That's very important. And so if you are consistent in that way, your subscribers will always be coming back to watch, having in mind that this is the right time that Atasmart is going to actually publish his video. And so when I get to his channel, I'm going to have access to a new video to watch. When it happens that way, in fact, they will always be getting onto your channel. But just think about it. When you publish, let's say Mondays on 8 p.m., the next Monday 8 p.m., the following Monday 8 p.m., let's say for about a month, 8 p.m., 8 p.m., 8 p.m. In so doing, you are craving a certain consistency duration or period for yourself. But after publishing around that time for about, let's say, a month, the subsequent months, you begin to change the timing to, let's say, 3 p.m., 2 p.m., 12 noon. You see, it's actually going to create something else that's going to affect your channel. And so be consistent on that, and it's actually going to help you. I've already talked about giving out value to your audience. That is very, very important. You cannot be consistent without giving out value to your audience. Always be giving value in that particular video, else without value, if the content or the video is not providing any sort of value to the one who is watching, the person wouldn't be watching anymore. Oh yes, wouldn't be watching anymore. Yes, count yourself as a viewer or someone who is watching the video, and you find yourself not, you don't find any interest in that particular video. The question is, will you continue to watch that video? Certainly no. You're actually going to stop watching that. And that's the same reason I am saying that that video should carry a certain value to the viewer. For example, this video that you're watching, it's specifically giving you value, right? 5 major reasons why consistency is key, and it's YouTube growth strategy. Yes, and I'm sure you've actually learned a lot, and you've actually got reasons to be consistent from now onwards. All right, that is what I mean by giving value to your audience or your subscribers or your viewers. Don't forget, not all your viewers are your subscribers. Some are watching but they're not subscribed yet, and so they are going to subscribe based on the value your video is giving to them, because when they subscribe, definitely they are going to have access to the subsequent videos and even the previous videos you've actually published on your channel. So this is exactly where I bring today's topic to an end. Thank you very much. I'm sure you've really enjoyed it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family as we continue to grow together. God bless.